Steady, my soldiers. We shall claim space and take control.
Let's meet them in the center. No easy victories today.
Forward. We challenge Black's center.
Hold your ground, men. We know how to handle this.
I have my eyes on you, Knight. One pin and you're immobilized.
Not so fast. We are flexible and well prepared.
We reinforce, build our position. No unnecessary risks.
I'll slowly prepare my counterplay, waiting for the right moment.
Aha, a sneaky glance at your knight in c3 square. Feeling the pressure yet?
We stand firm. We are ready for battle.
Attack. Disrupt their development.
Him, a bit aggressive, but I'll simplify.
Now, the center is ours again.
For now, perhaps. But don't get too comfortable.
Development complete. Time to maneuver.
Ah, but I have plans of my own.
A mysterious move, Black King. What are you planning?
Oh, nothing. Yet.
Here I come. Time to shake things up.
Back off. This is a battle of precision.
Fine. The center is mine.
Or is it? Let's see how you handle the upcoming storm. Charge! Open the lines! Break their structure!
Aha. A dynamic struggle. Now we see who truly controls the board.
I see weaknesses. Let's go hunting.
If I can stabilize, I can counterattack.
You look exposed, White King.
My defenses hold, for now.
passed pawn is a powerful force.
Your c pawn is strong, but so is my initiative.
Check. Pressure mounts.
I need an escape route.
I take a pawn, but at what cost?
We march forward, relentless. Time for a dance, White King. You have nowhere to hide.
I must defend, but the walls are closing in. No safe squares, no counterplay. This is dire.
We are closing in for the final blow.
I am out of options. You outmaneuvered me.
I have become a queen again.
And so have we. The end is near. Checkmate is inevitable. The crown changes hands today.